Minasan konnichiwa. Junya tomoshimasu yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Okay, sa topic natin ngayon, minasang is about dictionary form. How to conjugate dictionary form, minna. Bago po tayo mag-start, minna, meron tayong free orientation on Sunday. 7 p.m. po yun. So, sa mga gustong umattend ng orientation, free po yun. Mag-comment lang or mag-PM lang po sa akin, sa aking page or sa aking FB account. Okay, then yung start ng klase natin is January 12 and 5 is 9 to 11 p.m. and 4 is 7 to 9 p.m. Enroll na, minasan. Okay, それでは始めていきましょう。Group 1 conjugation, minasan. First is omit the mass form, then E sound change to U sound. So, ganun lang gawin yung dictionary form. Example, kay mas is to buy. Si kay mas, una daw gagawin, umit mo yung mas, natira yung kay, and then yung E sound ay magiging U. So, ang dictionary form ni kay mas is kao, to buy. Next, tachimas, umit the mas, tachi, the next si chi is magiging U sound, tatsu. The next, kairimas is to go home. Umit the mas and kairi matitira and siri magiging you, magiging kairu. Next natin, another conjugation in group 1. Hakobimas is to transport. Umit the mas and matitira yung hakobi and put. And then si B is magiging U sound, magiging hakob. Next, nomimas is to drink. Paulit-ulit lang po. Umit the mas, nomi, then nome. Okay, so yung group 1, nagiging U sound lang po siya. Then, shinimas is to die, shini, and put shinu. Okay, umit the mas, then sini, magiging U sound, shinu. Then, another conjugation in group 1, kikimas, umit the mas, magiging kiki, and siki, magiging U, kiku. Ang meaning ni kikimas is to listen, to ask, or to hear. Okay, next. Isogimas is to hurry, umit damas, and isogi matitira, and sigi maging U sound, isogi. Next natin, hanashimas to speak, umit damas, and si shi magiging U sound, hanasu. Okay, so ito po yung conjugation, dictionary form ni group 1. Okay, next natin is group 2 conjugation. Group 2 conjugation is a sound before the mas. First is omit the mas, then add r. Okay, so tatanggalin mo lang yung mas dito, mina, and i-add mo lang po si r. Makemas before the mas form, nandun yung S sound, mina, so omit mo yung mas, matitira, and put r sa dulo. Makeru is to lose. Nagemas is to throw, omit the mas, nage, then nageru. So before the mas, nandun po yung S sound. Shimemas is to close, umit the mas, shime, and putru, shimeru. Okay, next natin, meron tayong mga conjugation, minasang sa group 2 ni special verb. Nabanggit natin to nung mga nakaraan, minasang. Ganun lang, umit mo lang yung mas form and put r sa dulo. Okay, ikimas, although siya ay I sound, dahil siya special verb, umit mo yung mas, then iki matitira, then put r sa dulo. Ikiru. So yung ikimas is to live. Next, sugimas, to excess, umit na mas, sugi, then put ru sa dulo, sugiru. Kanjimas to feel, umit na mas, and kanji matitira, then kanjiru. Okay, so ito po yung dictionary form conjugation ni group 2 special verb. The next natin, Mina, ay si conjugation ni group 3, shimas change to suru. Okay, renshu shimas to practice, renshu suru. Benkyou shimas to study, benkyou suru. The next natin, kimas is kuru. Owarimashita. So, ja, mata ne.